Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to share a tweet on Facebook. But before we getting started, if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. So first of all, you need to be on your Android phone. Now open Play Store and look for Tweet to Pic. Okay, this application, and now you need to install this. So it will take a couple of seconds to install if you're using your good enough internet connection, whatever. Now go back and go to Twitter. Now let's suppose you want to share this post right on Facebook. Now click on the share button, and here you can see you simply can drag the menu and copy that link. You need to copy that link and then go back and go to Tweet to Pic. Open this app. Okay, now here you can see Twitter URL. You have to paste that Twitter URL here and you need to submit simply. So here you can see there are 4 option checkbox, so which is you can use. If you want to use a dark theme, you simply can use it. If you want to hide media, let's say I'm just using a square image, okay, and submit. So here you can see that entire post. So if I click on hide media, simply that here you can see the media that image actually hide it. Okay, now if I select dark theme and square image, so this is the post I actually want to share on Facebook. Alright guys, so let's just submit, and here you can see the little download icon, and if you click on that, the picture is successfully saved. Right, now open Facebook, because as we are going to share this on Facebook, right? So now you need to simply select photo. Okay, now from gallery here you will be able to find that picture that you saved. Okay, now as you guys can see, this is how you can share a tweet on Facebook. Okay, now simply tap on post and your post will be simply posted, right? So this is how you can share a tweet on Facebook, and I hope you guys understood how you can do it. And if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.